you know, no matter what challenge, and there were a lot in this one, absolutely decimated. Hi, so you would have seen me at our last project. Now we are at our commercial to residential demolition and new build, which is a very long title, but hopefully that explains what we're doing here. My background is I trained as a lawyer. I worked in the city in London, so very, very different to what we're doing now. But then I went into, I set up a charity, and from that I went to work in startup business. I'm Katie, and
I'm Neil.
so we are husband and wife team. Now this used to be derelict. Imagine a tin shed with a tree growing out of it and lots of damp everywhere. It used to be derelict offices, and the building was just beyond, absolutely beyond repair. So we had to demolish it, and then in its place we have built this. So we've got a downstairs ground floor with a nice patio area at the back, and then the upstairs is a two-storey, two-bedroom open plan area. We're going to show you the downstairs now. Come and see. So this is a really tiny space, this one. Upstairs is much more spacious, but this one we didn't have much room to play with, so we were trying to work out, okay, what can we do? Can we accommodate 2 bedrooms? Bit tight, so what we've done is we've got a bedroom and then an office as well, which is just through here. Then if you want to have a come and look, which could be a single room as well. But as you can see, it's quite small. And we were really, really lucky to be introduced by a member of the tribe to a professional interior designer whose background is doing flips in London. And she came and she saw the plans. She thought, oh, this is really tight. I'm not sure what we can do. But you'll see as we go through, she's absolutely transformed it. She's advised us where to put the furniture, how to have the lights, and what to do with the layout. So come and see. So this is the main bedroom. And what we've done, again, because of the lack of space, and this was Marilyn's idea, our lovely designer, we've got a bed that's got built-in storage. It's got built-in cupboards on each side. And then we've got this nice wardrobe here, leading out onto a patio. And this is brilliant. This is a real little sun trap in the afternoon. So this was just a yard. It's quite derelict. And they've refurbished the whole thing, so it's got its own private space. So this is the real selling point of this particular flat, because flats in Cardiff tend to not have any outdoor space. They're few and far between. And then if you come inside, I can show you to we've got a utility room in here, so that's like your washing machine, dryer in there. This is the bathroom, again put together by our designer. So she's chosen all the spec and then how we were to, whereabouts we were going to put the shower and the toilet and everything. And then just behind you, we go through to this, which is the open plan kitchen diner. Now this was the office room originally, just full of printers and desks. Here's what it looks like now. So this is all, this is magnet, all designed to make it look more spacious. And what she's done is she's incorporated the dining area into the kitchen because it's, you know, it's so tight. It just gives that impression of space, incorporating 2 rooms into one just by doing this clever design. And then we've got the lounge area there with the TV on the wall. So Donald Street. Where are we now? Well, we have accepted an offer and the sale is progressing for the entire building with an investor who's looking to buy and hold the property and rent out the 2 flats. That's going through for 460, and we bought the property for 125. Spent a lot more on it than we were planning because of the fact it was in a conservation area. We needed to get different materials, bespoke materials sent in from Oxford, other places in England. We had to have specialist lintels, specialist gables, specialist windows, all of these things. So it's not really been a big profit development by any stretch of the imagination. It's very much been jump in the deep end, tread water, try to swim and learn so much along the way. So it really has been an eye-opener, let's say. But I guess the biggest learning curve, the learning point for us is that we you know, no matter what challenge, and there were a lot in this one, no matter what challenge, as long as you work with the right people, you can do anything. And I think that's given us the confidence now. Our profit has been absolutely decimated. We will make some money, but nowhere near what we were expecting. It's taken way, way longer, and there have been way more hurdles than we could ever have anticipated. But now we're working with the right people. We know that we can, you know, we can take on any challenge that's thrown at us.